Today we'll be exploring an app called Book Creator, which allows teachers and students to create their own ebooks. Using the article Apps in the Classroom as a guide, we will explore the Book Creator app in terms of its engagement, developmental appropriateness, instructional design, motivation, and accessibility. When I think of my students being engaged in the classroom, I think of them sometimes learning without even realizing it, and the Book Creator app allows students to do this. To be engaging, an app first has to give a good first impression, and as soon as you open the Book Creator app, you're invited to start by choosing your book shape. I know that my first graders will be thrilled when they get to use this app to create their very own book. Students will be immediately drawn into this app because of how easy it is to begin creating the book. An app also needs to be intuitive. The Book Creator app guides you through every step of the bookmaking process and is very user-friendly. By simply tapping on this plus sign at the top right corner, you can easily add in photos from your iPad, create your own drawing, text, or even sound. Before students even know it, they'll be creating ebooks, which is something they might not have been able to do in the past. This is what makes the Book Creator app truly engaging for students. The Book Creator app is intended for students over 4 years of age and really could be used in any K-12 setting. The only criticism I have of this app is that the actual interface is not extremely appealing to young children and is rather plain. I suspect that the designers made the interface plain on purpose so that it was not a distraction in the bookmaking process. Despite this, the subject matter of creating books is relevant to students from a wide age level. In terms of instructional design, we want to decide if the app accomplishes specific learning goals and effectively communicates its subject matter. In elementary school, students are expected to follow the writing process and publish their work, often in the form of books. Book Creator allows students to do this in a unique format and is aligned to learning goals in this way. The app builds on students' skills in typing and writing their own story and guides them along the way by providing tutorials and help when needed. The app also supports reading skills, as the voiceover function allows students to record themselves reading the book. When students read their peers' books, they can play the audio to help them through the reading, or they can read it on their own. I did not find this app to offer personal or adaptive features based on skill level. As teachers, we know that motivation is key for our students to experience learning success in the classroom. Book Creator has several elements that I think would be extremely motivating to students. The first is the ability to combine books. Students can make their own book and then work with a peer to actually combine their books into one. In this way, 2 or more students could work collaboratively to write a longer book that could be then shared with the class. Another key motivational part of this app is the ability to make endless books. With the paid version of the app, which is $4.99, students can make as many books as they want, and the books have no limit on how long they need to be. I can see students wanting to visit this app again and again each day to edit their books and create new ones. Finally, the ability to bridge the classroom to the real world by allowing these books to be exported to iBooks or played as a movie on YouTube would be extremely motivating to students. Students love to share their work, and Book Creator really gives them a unique way to do so. Lastly, we look at accessibility. This app provides support to students as they create their books. By clicking on Support, students will be taken directly to the app's website, which looks like this, and there is a range of questions that they can click on that will provide support about the app. In addition, Book Creator allows you to add accessibility features to images so students with visual impairments can hear a descriptor of what is in the photo, and that's right here under accessibility. I feel that Book Creator could be improved by adding more accessibility features, such as a range of levels for users with a variety of skill levels. Thank you for viewing my presentation about Book Creator.